Good evening. Houston, Baytown, Corpus, Rockport, Surfside, Beaumont. I mean, they just got counted. Everybody that brought in donations to help with the waters, the stuff for the babies, the food, the diapers. Thank you. On behalf of Wrestling Revolution, thank you very much. We are Texas. We are strong. And I've got a feeling, and I know for a fact in my heart, that if this was reversed, everybody up there that's helping would be right here in the Rio Grande Valley in this area helping us. Salute out to all of our military personnel, all of our first responders, all of our rescuers, people from Louisiana, and if I'm not mistaken, I think we had help from Mexico. I think they sit there and figure out to help us out. So that tells me that everybody stands together. I'm not political, so I'm not going to get into that part of it. He made a donation. We got a lot of donations that were made. We've got a lot of donations out there that'll be going up to the Corpus Christi area. The only thing that upsets me is, not upsets me but kind of hurts, is once the Houston coastal area started getting hit, the news media forgot about Corpus, forgot about Rockport, Surfside, Aransas Pass. We didn't. We didn't forget about them because all that stuff out there is where it's going. So tonight, if I can have you stand, remove your headband, gentlemen. All I ask is just for a moment of silence for the survivors, for the ones that unfortunately lost their lives, for our rescue teams. Everybody up there helping. Everybody down here helping with everything going on up there. Just for one moment.